Hello traders, welcome once again to Forex Trade One. So today we will discuss a very unique indicator, position size calculator, which will help you manage your trades more effectively and more efficiently. So let us, without any further ado, let us start the indicator. So today we have taken this Euro USD. You can short, you can long from here itself. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can use all the 4 limit order size: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. So here we are using short, and SL we will take 1.1300. Take profit we will take 1.1180. And we will take instant entry. Risk we have taken, we will take 10% risk. Okay, so the lot size should be 1.72. You can choose lot size also. If you want 2 lot, then you can 2, and the risk will be 11. I mean, you can choose the lot size based on the risk, and you can choose the risk based on the lot size. So either way you can do it. And you can also choose the risk based on the USD. Like for example, if you want $1,000 risk, then it will be 1.61 lot size. So let us take the instant order, and here it is. You can see the 1.60 Euro USD trade has already been placed, and you can see SL and TP is also SL and TP is already placed. Now we will go to the risk. Here you can see the current portfolio. The risk is 900. The risk is 966, 9% with 1 lot. Reward in USD is 953. Reward is 8%. So against the 9% risk, we are taking 9% reward. So this is the current portfolio. The potential portfolio will include the order which are already in pending mode, in pending status. Margin you can see here. Right now the position margin is 364, which you can find it here. Let me just show you. This you can find here. Future used margin is 726, which you can use in future, and this margin level is future free margin. That means that 9,906 margin is available for the trading. So this way you will be able to understand that what margin you can use for the next trades. And this maximum position size by margin, that means if you are using 1:500 leverage, then you can use 45 lots. You can take 45 lots. But let me show you that if you change this margin to 1:200, then this lot size will decrease. As you can see, it is now 18 lot. If we use 1:50 margin, then this lot size will increase even by further numbers. It is now, so now with this total 10,000 or 9,000 or future free margin 6,400 USD, you can place only 4.55 lots. If we use 1:2 margin, then you can use only 0.18 lot size, and with 1:1000 USD you can use 91 lots. So this is how you can use the margin, and you can calculate the maximum position size by margin. So here you can use a long, short. You can use. You can also choose to hide lines and show lines. So this will show your potential profit and loss, and your account balance here. So everything a trader needs, whatever a trader needs, to manage the trades, you can find almost everything with this position size calculator. So if you have any questions, query, feel free to ask us. Thank you.